This video I will go more in details about melatonin. I already was making video about melatonin in mega doses, and again it is important topic. I want to you focus your attention and also to go more in details, and I hope it will help you to slow down aging with melatonin, which is affordable and no side effects with this. Okay, I hope, as always, I recommend you to download presentation as PDF file from the link in the description. Then you will save your time. You can read the presentation instead of listening my voice. My pronunciation probably not the best. And also, you can get to the source of information, make your own research, maybe to come to different conclusions from what I do. Okay, let's go into details. Melatonin production declines with age in humans. This decline due to the pineal gland failure to produce sufficient amount of melatonin from serotonin, both absolutely and relatively to serotonin, starting at sunset and continuing through the night. This was proposed as a contributor of aging. Contribution to the circadian rhythm related to melatonin deficiency and the resulting interrupted sleep have been linked to metabolic and cardiovascular diseases, cancer risk, neurological diseases, and mood disorders. Melatonin also has oncostatic properties, potentially slowing down tumor progression. For example, in prostate cancer, it is hypothesized that melatonin counteracts the Warburg effect by entering cells through glucose transporters and competing with glucose. Okay, so sorry. For example, and then, for example, in prostate gland, it is hypothesized that melatonin counteracts the Warburg effect by entering cells through the glucose transporter and competing with glucose, thus reducing production of lactate by glycolysis and depriving tumor cells of energy. This is again important. And production of melatonin by age is dropping tremendously from age of about 10 years old when it is maximum. It is dropping maybe more than 20 times in older age. So it is blocking transportation of glucose, but also it can get through the membrane through special gates. And melatonin is produced by mitochondria, and it can be used by mitochondria if it is used as supplement. It can go inside and can be accumulated in mitochondria. Melatonin was investigated as anti-aging therapy for age-related cardiovascular and neurodegenerative diseases. Melatonin is powerful antioxidant. Again, you can go and read the application. That can reduce oxidative stress and chronic inflammation. Melatonin protects elastin fibers from oxidative stress and improves vascular function. Melatonin has been shown to enhance endothelium function, endothelium function, improving vascular tone and elasticity of the vessels. Melatonin can reduce blood pressure in patients with hypertension. And administration of melatonin has been reported to protect against chronic vascular diseases. Moreover, often the melatonin level inversely correlated with increased risk of cancer development. Okay, so this big picture shows what properties, useful properties and benefits you can get from supplementation by melatonin. Okay, then again, I have already presented my research on melatonin as anti-aging supplement in videos, quite many videos. You can go and read presentation. Melatonin also plays a significant role in regulating the secretion of human growth hormone during sleep. Growth hormone levels are increased during sleep, and growth hormone plays a positive role in the production of adult heart by stimulating cardiovascular growth and cardiac growth and heart contractility, but also structure of vascular endothelium. Treatment of healthy men with combination of growth hormone, DHEA and metformin was reported to restore thymus function and reduce epigenetic age. So it is again how growth hormone decline from 10 years to 70, 80 years. It's a lot. You see, it is almost 10 times production of melatonin drops over time. This is about thymus. Thymus is very important part of our immune system, and then it is in time, it is degrade, and mostly the tissues in the thymus are replaced by fat, and then combination of these substances like DHEA, growth hormone, and metformin with zinc can improve this degradation of thymus. In clinical studies in which melatonin was applied on the skin, strongly supported clinical efficacy in reducing skin damage and photoprotective effects. The addition of vitamin D and C to melatonin-containing formulation leads to a synergistic improvement. Topical melatonin has been investigated as an alternative therapeutic agent to treat female alopecia. The maximum effects were observed after 6 months with a marked increase in anagen hairs, almost 9%. Minoxidil is a potent peripheral vasodilator. This is again quite known, and minoxidil stimulates elastin synthesis in animal studies. The combination of minoxidil and melatonin applied to the skin could potentially offer synergistic benefits in improving the elasticity of the aorta, extending average longevity in elderly people, although this hypothesis requires clinical validation. I repeat this information from my previous video, but again, this is important, easy to apply, easy to use and check with your self-experimentation, because melatonin has no side effects. And if you will be very careful with minoxidil, yeah, you can try combination of melatonin topical treatment with minoxidil. Melatonin also modulates apoptosis, acting differently on normal and hyperactive cancerous or senescent cells. In normal cells, it acts as antioxidant by enhancing DNA repair enzymes, therefore thereby slowing cell death and reducing toxicity induced by radiation and chemotherapy. In most cancer cells, it exerts the pro-oxidant action, stimulated endogenous production of reactive oxygen species, which lead to DNA damage and cell death. In general, animal and human studies have documented that short-term use of melatonin is safe, even in extreme doses. However, clinical efficacy of melatonin in many pathological settings remains unestablished, preventing the replacement of melatonin to standard therapeutic approaches, except for treating sleep disorders and preoperative anxiolytic. Okay, so again, this is quite emerging area of research about melatonin, but again, if it is not have many side effects, it's probably interesting to use and in your self-experimentation. So what melatonin does, here you can see it is working as anti-aging supplement. Okay, so you can go to the links in this references, and you can read more, you can understand more about the melatonin and its role. Also, I recommend you to watch my previous videos or read my previous presentation on melatonin. I consider supplementation with melatonin very affordable and very useful. So I do it, I check it myself, and so let's see how what would be long-term consequences of such supplementation. If you want to support my channel, please press button bell and like, and subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family, and you can comment in the comment section and I normally reply on the questions. And again, what I'm doing, it is mostly for my own benefit. I want to extend my longevity to 1,000 years, or as minimum to live few hundred years, and feel healthy and productive, and to live healthy and productive life. So, but anyone is invited to join the project. In difference from other people who work in rejuvenation, this what I propose is very affordable. Almost anyone can use it, and melatonin you can buy, and for example in China it is relatively cheap, and it is 1 kilo would be for long use, and it is actually very affordable supplement. But if you use it in pills with concentration, with the amount of melatonin like 2-5 milligram, yeah, well, this would be not nice. So I recommend you to buy powder of melatonin and use it. Okay, that's all. Have a wonderful day. Ciao, ciao.